My video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Azhi. AZHI. This is the ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for the educational purposes, though in the video I will demonstrate to you what happens with the files after they get damaged by this ransomware. So you can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack we are able to open our files without any complications: pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Azhi ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their files. Very soon after restarting the computer, users suddenly realize that they can no longer access their files. This Azhi ransomware encrypts the data and damages the files. It's impossible to use the information anymore. The ransomware also tells the victims that they ought to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you will simply waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the application, and then start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is obviously essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin, and pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add certain folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. Then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. Consider premium license, and you can request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. As for file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more facts on how to recover your files.